Hello everyone, welcome to GK online class. So today we are going to start the new chapter number 41 on page number 52. So all of you open your GK book and look at page number 52, chapter number 41. The name of the chapter is Look into a Book. So here the book is given and today we are going to learn about the part of book. Okay, so look, here one book is given and first it is written head. Means if you look at book, there is head, means the topmost part of the book is called head. Okay, and after that down you can see groove or join. It is a part of book where, means if we see a thick book, there is a outer cover is made of join. It is made like a thick cover and it is called join. And the third is spine is a in which the book is bind. Okay, spine, we have seen the spiral binding, no, in the same way the book is being bind, it is called spine. And that next is end paper. End paper is a paper inside a book. It is a blank page. Okay, to protect the book it is used. And then the next is tail. You can look in this book, means the outermost downside part is called, this one is called tail. Okay, and then the next is text block. Text block is the pages where, means the pages where we can write, or you can say bond pages, means empty page or where we can write or read something, it is called text page. Okay, so now look at I have given some parts of the book. You can see in the picture. First it is given book title, author, illustration, cover, title page, spine, back cover. Okay, so let's start and learn about the parts of book. So as you can see in the picture, one I have taken one book, it's an arts and style. Means when we look in any book and the first page, means the cover page, it is called, means cover page. Okay, means where the book name or author name is written. As you can see in the picture itself, means down, means upper side you can see the book name, and down also you can see the author or other things. Okay, so cover page is the cover of the book, shows name and author of the book. So now look next page. In next page it is given, this is the picture of a title page. Means title page is a repeat information given in the cover, name of the author and publisher. In the title page we can see the information, means the same information which is written in the cover book, but in this you can see the publisher name and name of the author too. And in the next is copyright. What is copyright? Means copyright is a page in which date is written when the book was published by the writer or a publisher. Okay, as you can see in the picture, it is written copyright at rate 2017 Jane Doe. So this is the sample of the copyright page, you can see. And after the copyright page, the next part of the book is, you can say, the table of contents. Means in this page it shows the chapter and page number as well as the name of the chapter. Means if you have seen in the chapter, there are some of the, means in some of the books it is shown, means in every book it is written the contents. Okay, you can see in your own GK book or any of the other subject, it can be an English book or a EVS, anything. Okay, so in this, as you can see in the picture itself, table of content, chapter name is written and page number is given. Okay, so it is table of content. Then after this, the next is preface. What is the preface? Preface is it is an explanation of the book. It may be called foreword or introduction. Means in preface, in most of the it is not found in all of the books, but in the stories or novels you can see the preface page. In preface page, the short means information is given about the book, means what book contains inside, means like you can say if is there any story book, then there will be summary. In preface page the summary is given, means what the book contain. Okay, then after preface comes the next, it is the body of the book. And the body of the book is the part of the book that we read and study. As you can see in your own book, the chapters, that is called the body of the book, means where we can get the information about the particular subject or particular topic is called the body of the book, where we can read easily. Okay, then the next is appendix. Appendix is the next to body of the book, means it is located in the back side of the book, not in front. Means when the book, means you have seen in all the chapters are finished, after that only the appendix come. It includes the extra information such as chart, list and table. Means in last page it is given the extra, means you can refer, means some topics are given, along with that they will recommend the books or page number, means you can get the information about this topic in that page. Okay, so that page is called appendix. So the next is bibliography. In bibliography, means it is a list of the books used by the author for his her or research found. It is located at the back of the book. Bibliography is a page in which the author, means the author's research is written, means from where which source he have written, means from which source he have got the information, and with the help of which source he has written the book. As you can see in this, so many stories or volume, anything is given, like from where he has written his own book. So with the help of bibliography we can know how the author has researched about his book, and it is located in the back of the book. Okay, then after bibliography the next is index. What is index? It is an alphabetical listing of the topics and pages where they can be located. Index is a part of a book in which you can see the alphabetic list, means how you can see in this same picture, it is like A, B, means all the words starting from A. You can see it is arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, after A it comes B, then after B it comes C. All the you can say the difficult words with their meanings, it is located in the index page, and it is also found in the back of the book. Okay, after index we can see the glossary. Glossary is also one of the page which contain the definition of difficult words. Means in most of the books, in some of the books the words meanings are not given in the chapter itself, but it is given in the back of the book, and that page is called glossary. Okay, in that you can find the difficult words and their meaning. It is also in the alphabetical order. Okay, so now we can do the exercise. So again you come to page number 52. So let's start. Here are some more parts of book. Unscramble their name after reading the clues. Means here the some parts of books are given in unscramble words. Okay, so you have to arrange and write it correct. So first question is part of the book that gives you an idea about the book. Means a part of a book which gives you the idea, means about where we can get the idea about a book. So the word is, it is in a unscramble word, so it will be introduction. Okay, spelling is INTRODUCTION, introduction. And next question is part of a book that lists the chapters and their pages. So I have already told, as you have seen in the picture itself, table of content, there we can find the chapters and their page number. So it will be contents, ENTS. Okay, so now look, third question. Part of a book in a dictionary format that includes new or unfamiliar words listed in alphabetical order. As I told, the last part of the book is called glossary. So it is the means like a dictionary. When you open the dictionary, all the words are arranged in alphabetical order, and we can find the meaning and words of their. Okay, so it is the same. So here the answer is glossary. Spelling is GLOSSARY, glossary. Now look at the fourth question. Fourth question is part of a book that includes alphabetical listing of topics and their page numbers. Means where you can see, I have told in the page index page we can find the alphabetical listing of topics where the topics and page numbers are given. That part of the book is called index. So index spelling is INDEX, index. Now look at fifth question. Part of a book that includes the list of all the reference that the author used to write the book. So we have already discussed in which part of the book the author mention or reference is given, means like research is given in which part of the book. It is bibliography. Okay, so spelling of the bibliography is BLIOGRAPHY, bibliography. Now look at the last question, question number 6. Part of a book that carries the title of the book, name of the author and publisher, and where the book was published. Means in which part of the book the title is given, name of author is given, and where book was published. Okay, so we have it is itself in the question. It is said that title of the book, so it will be title page. The spelling of title is TITLE, title, page PAGE, page. So you all have to learn this chapter and fill in your book, and down you can see let us do it. One question is given, so you can see that write down the names of different parts of your English book. So according to this chapter, you all have to write the parts of your English book. It's your homework. So you have to write in your GK book. First you are going to write the chapter number 41. Look into a book. Then you are going to write this question. Write down the names of the different parts of your English book. Okay. So you have to open your English book. You can take either the English grammar or either your English first book. Okay. From that you can see which part of the books are given, and you have to write in your GK book. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.